So what do you think? Why hair loss
हम्म
has become a biggest problem?
आज के टाइम पे स्ट्रेस इतना बढ़ गया है. पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम टू स्लीप, पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम टू ईट, वर्कआउट्स are decreasing these days. Everyone wants quick fixes.
What all things we need to look after as a consumer
Yeah.
before we even buy a product?
कोई भी चीज आप ले रहे हो, go for medicated, dermatologically tested products. Now the thing has
yes,
come up.
yes.
At least go for them. If you are buying sunscreen, so at least SPF 50 buy karo. Don't just go on brand names.
Aging nowadays has become a biggest talk of
Yeah.
the town to the people who are crossing 30 or 35.
If you start seeing aging at this age, for example under eye dark circles किसी को हो रहे हैं, किसी को pigmentation है, किसी को hair loss है, so start with small. At least visit, take medifacial हो गया, या फिर go for laser toning treatment.
You have spoken about lot of treatments, right? But after treatment also, is it permanent or they have to keep doing it? नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में. हर एपिसोड की तरह ये एपिसोड भी हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ आए हैं. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ब्यूटी का. सो ये वर्ड सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में एक ऑब्सेशन क्रिएट हो जाता है. अब पूछो क्यों? बिकॉज वी ऑल लव टू बी परफेक्ट, चाहे वो स्किन हो, चाहे वो एजिंग हो, चाहे वो वेट मैनेजमेंट हो. वी ऑल वांटेड टू लुक परफेक्ट एनी टाइम, एवरी टाइम, एवरीवेयर. और सोने पे सुहागा है. डिजिटलाइजेशन का जमाना है. डिजिटल मीडिया पे हम आए दिन बहुत सारे ट्रेंडिंग रील्स देखते आए हैं, चाहे वो स्किन केयर हो, चाहे वो वेट मैनेजमेंट हो, या चाहे वो एंटी एजिंग हो. ये हमारे आज के टाइम की बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. तो आज इस टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ जो हमारे गेस्ट है, उनका नाम है डॉक्टर प्रिंस वर्डे. ही इज अ सेलिब्रिटी कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट एंड एन इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर. So let's welcome Dr. Prince Verde on Ek Soch, one idea that changed your life. But before we deep dive and understand about skincare, weight management, and anti-aging, I really want you to watch this entire episode because you never know कौन सी चीज आपको हिट कर जाए और आपको पता चले कि अगर आपको एज नहीं होना तो हम क्या क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में. हर एपिसोड की तरह ये एपिसोड भी हम लेकर आए हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ब्यूटी की. सभी के दिमाग में जब ब्यूटी का नाम आता है एक ऑब्सेशन क्रिएट हो जाता है. परफेक्ट स्किन चाहिए, हेयर लॉस नहीं चाहिए, एजिंग तो होना ही नहीं है, हमको एज तो बढ़ानी ही नहीं है. तो आज हमारे साथ जो हमारे गेस्ट है डॉक्टर प्रिंस वार्डे, वो बात करेंगे आज एंटी एजिंग की, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट की, हाउ यू कैन कीप योर स्किन फिट एंड फाइन. So let's welcome Prince Varde on Ek Soch, one idea that changed your life. Welcome to Ek Soch, Prince ji.
Thank you so much.
So firstly, this topic is very close to my heart because,
Okay.
Even I'm aging. So I really
Okay.
want to understand a lot of things about how I can treat myself
Understood.
and, de-age myself.
Okay.
Okay, so before we even begin with our conversation, this entire show is about Ek Soch,
Okay.
one idea that changed
Okay.
your life.
Yeah.
So we really want to understand, how one idea of your life changed your life completely.
So initially, I was very much interested into skin since childhood. Why? Because I used to see a lot of kids with acne issues and with dandruff issues, and no one actually knew कि इसकी treatment भी हो सकती है. And people were not very much aware of the skincare, hair care, or weight loss and all. कि what things can be done. So I was always researching. I was always trying to do something where I can help people. So that was the idea behind it, that I need to do something, and that's how I entered into this field.
Lovely. वो कहते हैं ना कि कोई भी बिजनेस की शुरुआत एक प्रॉब्लम से होती है, एंड
Correct.
you were at the right time at right place. You identified that problem कि यार
Yeah.
ये सारी चीजों का भी ट्रीटमेंट हो
हो
सकता है.
सकता है. I know.
Right. So can you just give us a little bit glimpse about your journey
Okay.
in business and how it has
Okay.
been so far.
So I'm a celebrity cosmetologist. I deal with celebrities, politicians, doctors themselves. My journey started, I have done my bachelor's in dental surgery to start with from Pune.
Wow.
After that, I went to Australia to pursue my master's in healthcare administration because I wanted to understand how the health industry works and how we can grow them. So that's why I did my so-called MBA in healthcare. After that, I started working in hospitals, and simultaneously, I was also studying about skin. So कुछ time हो गया, I started working as a CEO of hospitals, managing hospitals, opening new hospitals, working as a medical superintendent and all. And as I learned and as I understood better about skin, and that's how I completely came into skincare, hair care, and completely we say that overall look of the person can be changed with the right treatments.
Correct.
So I went deep
Deep.
into that. Yeah.
Lovely. So you're talking about skincare,
Yeah.
right? अभी के ज़माने में बहुत ज़्यादा obsession हो गया है,
Yeah.
right? If you
Too
see
much.
kind of acne or if you
Yeah.
see kind of pimple on your
हाँ जी.
face, you start getting like that mentally you are so stressed. कि
Yeah.
यार ये कैसे हो गया मेरे
ये
साथ?
कैसे हो गया?
Right? Back then, 10-15 years before,
Correct.
if I talk about,
Yeah.
it was not that much important.
Correct.
It has become a big priority. So would you
Hmm.
like to say something on that?
हाँ, तभी कैसा था ना कि people were not very much aware about the कि एक्ने भी ट्रीट हो सकता है, हेयर फॉल है तो वो भी ट्रीट हो सकता है. पीपल यूज्ड टू थिंक कि ठीक है, खाना अच्छे से खाएंगे, थोड़ा बहुत हेयर केयर करेंगे, हो जाएगा.
Correct.
बट आज इतनी फैसिलिटीज आ गई है एंड इतनी ट्रीटमेंट्स है जो सेफली आपको सब चीजें डिलीवर कर सकती है. जैसे कि एक्ने के मेरे पास बहुत सारे यंग क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, so they know that there is treatment for it. So slowly and steadily people are getting more aware about it, and that is the best part. Trying by yourself something, just looking by Instagram and all, will not take you anywhere. Right treatment, see, for example, if we talk about acne, तो acne की सिर्फ serums या वो लगाने से नहीं होता, underlying cause आपको treat करना है. So that people should be aware of.
Correct. So you were talking about social media, Instagram,
Yeah.
right? Do you think that social media has created kind of unrealistic expectations?
हाँ जी, it has, because क्या होता है सोशल मीडिया पे जो भी हम किसी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, तो वो लोग दे डोंट द व्यूअर्स डोंट नो, और दे माइट बी नोइंग कि यार दे हैव अप्लाइड मेकअप, देयर आर फिल्टर्स जो मेजर रोल प्ले कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है, इफ यू लुक एट देयर स्किन you will understand when you look closely, but आज के ज़माने में filters are playing biggest role.
Absolutely.
So वो unrealistic expectation create कर रहा है. And yeah, I would say कि people should not completely believe in that. They should also do some research. They should meet doctor once.
Correct.
To understand what best can be done.
You also spoke about this acne treatment.
Yeah.
Right? I'm a person who always believe that यार मुझे naturally चीजें करनी है.
हाँ.
So how in that case, I mean, treatment, when we hear this word treatment, कहीं ना कहीं वो एक fear आ जाता है कि यार treat करना पड़ेगा इसे.
Correct.
So how do you kind of help people to understand that what is treatment, what is acne treatment?
So basically acne के बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं. कुछ hormonal होते हैं. Some might also get because of some irritation. They have applied something which did not work for them.
Exactly.
So I have to understand what exactly is causing that issue. और फिर हम उसी पे work करते हैं. But educating a client why it is happening is very much important.
And how does this aesthetic clinic can help in today's time?
So today's time, as I mentioned earlier, कि हम लोग जो underlying cause है पहले उसको treat करते हैं हम, and then slowly and steadily we work on the face, जो बाहर से है. So there are a lot of treatments like chemical peels हो गए, few lasers हो गए, then if someone might have acne scars, तो उसकी अलग treatment हो गई. So depending on the patient's need, we do the treatment.
Lovely.
But first of all, it is always important कि हम underlying उसकी जो issue है उसको cure करें.
Correct. So Prince ji, basically what do you suggest to a people who are obese, who are
Yeah.
overweight, and they're
Yeah.
fed up of their weight, and they really
Mhm.
want to get rid of, say, somewhere around 6-10 kgs in a
Correct.
few months.
Yeah.
Would you like to say something to them, or do you have some kind of treatment for them?
Of course, we have treatments. There are injectable treatments which are very famous in the market with the name of Mounjaro, Ozempic, Wegovy, with obviously with proper blood profile and everything. We give that injections.
Mhm.
I always tell my client that this is the injection that will boost your confidence. Why? Because आपका वेट कम होगा, आपको साथ साथ वर्कआउट कंटिन्यू रखना है, डाइट कंटिन्यू रखना है, or
Okay.
else you see a lot of muscle loss which will
Mhm.
look you 10-15 years older. You should be 10-15 years younger.
Yeah,
The thing,
correct.
yeah.
So, what do you think with this kind of treatments? How long they can keep their weight,
Sustained.
sustained?
They see, once you get confidence, आपने कुछ kgs कम कर लिया, you automatically gain good confidence. You start working out more. That's what my clients have told me.
Mhm.
After shredding around 10-15 kgs, they say कि हमारा confidence बढ़ गया है.
Exactly.
We have stopped the treatment. Now
Yeah.
we are able to do it by ourselves, everything. So that is what I promote my clients to, कि आपको सिर्फ मैं ये treatment तब तक दूंगा जब आप self sufficient हो जाओ कि मैं खुद से ही अभी करना चालू कर दूंगा weight loss.
Okay.
So this is the thing I promote, and it is giving absolutely very good results to all my clients.
Okay. So
Yeah.
there are no kind of obligations
No
or
side
no
effects.
complications.
No, nothing as such. Few people after taking this might experience nausea, vomiting, and all,
Okay.
but that is very rare and very common, which can be cured with few medicines.
Okay. So we also spoke about social media ना कि आजकल बहुत सारी चीजें दिखती है, आपने
I
फिल्टर की
know.
बात करी. So people, do you really think that nowadays
Yeah,
people started educating themselves more
correct.
and they also end up being confused?
Yeah, that is absolutely true. क्योंकि फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने हेयर फॉल की बात की, तो हेयर फॉल के लिए देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच नीड्स टू बी कंसिडर्ड. जेनेटिक्स होता है किसी किसी को वाइटामिन डेफिशिएंसी होती है, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आते हैं. बट सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक से आप देख के कि सीरम लगाने से बाल उग जाएंगे, दैट इज नॉट गोना बी द केस. आई गेट लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स कि सर मैंने ये लगाया था, मैंने वो लगाया था, नथिंग वर्कड एंड आई एम टायर्ड नाउ. यू शुड नो कि किस कारण हो रहा है वो. So I analyze that first. I give them treatments. For example, if someone, I'm a hair transplant surgeon as well.
Wow.
But 98 to 99% of my cases, I treat without transplants. Just by understanding their underlying cause.
Exactly.
And if it is required, कोई भी stage, last stage पे, if we think कि नहीं हो सकता है, then we recommend them hair transplants. But unnecessarily we don't do that treatment. And underlying cause treat करने के बाद, there are lot of people who have got very good results. And आजकल advanced treatments आ गई,
Yeah.
stem cells, exosomes, they are giving wonderful results.
Correct. Nowadays I see lot of advertisements.
हाँ जी.
Okay, अगर मैं बात करूँ hair की,
Yeah.
you have those oil,
Yeah.
different kind of oils के इससे बाल आ जाते हैं.
Correct.
I've seen this Adivasi
Yeah.
advertisement, that hair oil which has
Correct.
become a biggest trend.
Yeah.
And people ended up blaming that
Blame.
यार मैंने तो ले लिया, मेरा तो नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ.
So
Exactly.
what is your take in that?
See, सिर्फ ऑयल लगाने से अगर बाल उग जाते हैं, so oil would be the most expensive thing on this planet.
Absolutely.
And वो जो आदिवासी ऑयल्स वगैरह है, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट देम, बट इट डज नॉट वर्क ऑन एवरीवन, एंड इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी ऑल्सो कि उससे आपका रिजल्ट आएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो अंडरलाइन कॉज आपका ट्रीट नहीं कर पा रहा है. आपकी वाइटामिन डेफिशिएंसी वो बाल में ऑयल लगाने से कैसे होगी. एंड ऑल्सो फ्यू थिंग्स जेनेटिक है किसी को, वो कैसे होगा यार. It's not possible, humanly possible.
Absolutely.
So I would recommend कि don't fall for all of that. Instead, visit a good doctor. वो आपको अच्छे से गाइड करेंगे. फिर आपका कॉल है ट्रीटमेंट कराना नहीं कराना, या फिर आदिवासी ऑयल पे जाना.
Correct.
That will be the thing.
So what do you think? Why hair loss has become a biggest problem, and why people find out quick fixes कि यार मैंने इसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट देखी थी और मैंने ये परचेस कर लिया, पर मुझे अब रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा. से फॉर एग्जांपल डेंड्रफ, ऑल ऑफ सडन हेयर लॉस, वो अचानक से हेयर फॉल होना आउट ऑफ nowhere.
Yeah.
So what is the main cause for it?
Stress. आज के टाइम पे स्ट्रेस इतना बढ़ गया है, पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम टू स्लीप, पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम टू ईट. वो खा रहे, वो भी जंक फूड खा रहे, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ
Exactly.
पीपल, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव टाइम. वी कैन नॉट ब्लेम एनीवन. वर्कआउट्स आर डिक्रीजिंग दीज डेज. एवरीवन वांट्स क्विक फिक्सेस.
Yeah.
इंस्टाग्राम पे गए, फॉर एग्जांपल, यू नो हाउ दिस एंटायर एल्गोरिथम इज वर्किंग. आपको हेयर लॉस है, आपने गूगल पे सर्च किया कि
Yeah.
ट्रीटमेंट फॉर हेयर लॉस.
It will keep
आप
coming.
इंस्टाग्राम पे गए, आप देख रहे हैं कि अरे सोल्यूशन आया यार.
I know.
आई एम गेटिंग हेयर फॉल के लिए, इट इज अ क्विक फिक्स. यू एंड अप बाइंग दैट. आपने 2-3 महीने यूज किया एंड देन यू डिडंट गेट एनी रिजल्ट. तो आप क्या हो गए, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है यार, छोड़ो, जैसा है वैसे रहने दो.
Correct.
बट उसके अलावा सर्च ऑन गूगल, गो एंड सर्च फॉर अ डॉक्टर फॉर हेयर फॉल. वो आपको लेके जाएंगे अच्छी जगह पे, जहाँ पे यू नो यू गेट बेटर ट्रीटमेंट.
Exactly.
उनसे एटलीस्ट कंसल्टेशन लो कि क्यों हो रहा है ये. डैंड्रफ हो गया, डैंड्रफ आज के टाइम पे मेजर इशू है, बिकॉज ऑफ द
Absolutely, yeah.
shampoos that we are
Yeah.
using, because of the junk food that we are eating, because of lot of things are stress and all.
Exactly.
Everything plays a role, but treating it the right way will help you in the long run. Quick fixes करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. You'll end up spending way more than you should.
So talking about medicines,
हाँ जी.
what do you think, like, you know, in today's time,
Hmm.
what is the biggest misconception about aesthetic medicines?
Biggest misconception about aesthetic medicine, I would say, is that people think that सिर्फ इनके पास जाने से सब काम हो जाएगा. You have to work on yourself as well. हम लोग, जब आप क्लिनिक में आते हो, we do the treatment, we give you the right medicines and
Correct,
everything, but simultaneously you have to do the lifestyle modification, which
Exactly.
majorly people fail. People don't want to work out, people don't
Yeah.
want to drink enough water, they don't want to keep themselves hydrated. That is giving them a lot of issues. Other thing, then even if you are doing everything right, still people come and blame कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. But at the end of the day, they don't see that lifestyle modification हमने नहीं किया है.
Correct.
डॉक्टर ने तो सही ट्रीटमेंट सजेस्ट की थी.
Exactly.
So that's what we should think about, कि नहीं, we should work on ourselves more. Simultaneously we should take the treatment that will work in hand to hand.
Correct. So according to you, it's more your lifestyle,
Yeah,
right? And
Correct.
it has to be 50-50, like, you know,
50-50.
lifestyle and the treatment.
correct.
And that's
Yeah.
how eventually
Yes,
you
yes,
can
yes.
get that kind of result.
Absolutely.
But back then, if I'll talk about treatment, people have kind of perception कि यार मैंने cosmetic procedure कर ली,
हाँ,
अब मेरा appearance पूरा change हो जाएगा.
correct. Yeah.
How realistic is that?
नहीं, so पूरा चेंज अगर आप करोगे तो लोग आपको तुरंत बोलेंगे कि who was your doctor. We treat in such a way जहाँ पे you look more fresh, you look more energetic, your natural glow comes. Unrealistic expectation, for example, some fillers, so वो overfill कर देते हैं. That completely shows that it is something wrong. It is
Yes.
something done on your face. That should not be the case.
Yeah.
If you are doing any treatment, for example, lip fillers हो गए,
Hmm.
for example, jawline contouring हो गया,
Correct.
all these things need to be done accurately. And less is always more, I feel. So you shouldn't overdo anything जिससे वो दिख जाए.
Exactly.
Be it follow such protocols जिसमें natural लगे कि हाँ यार, something is done, you look better, you look more beautiful, your look is enhanced.
Correct.
So we deal more in that.
Correct. I've seen a lot of celebrities जिन्होंने
Yeah.
lip fillers कराया, but
Correct.
it in somehow something went wrong,
Correct.
and it
Yeah.
showed up
It
on
showed up.
camera,
Yeah.
right? वो दिखता है कि
दिखता
यार
है.
ये कैसा हो गया, पूरा
हाँ,
face change हो
Change
गया.
हो गया है.
So it's very important that whatever you're doing, it should be with right expert
Correct.
and right knowledge and right guidance.
Absolutely right.
You know, otherwise you can change your entire appearance
Yeah.
within a day's time, I'd say.
Yeah.
So what are the common treatments
Yeah.
which people come to you for?
So when we talk about skin, so people come for skin boosters. That is good for hydration, increases your collagen production.
Mhm.
That gives you natural growth. जैसे कि skin booster, which is very popular, I would like to talk about that, is salmon sperm injection. PDRN बोलते हैं हम उसे.
अच्छा.
It got very viral because of Kim Kardashian. She had taken that treatment. After that, it gained a lot of popularity. So that actually works on your DNA. So
Mhm.
because
Oh.
जो salmon sperm है, that matches with our DNA,
Mhm.
and it slowly and steadily increases your collagen production, hydration अच्छा होता है, इससे आपका skin texture also improves. So it works on your DNA. So that gives very good results. Other thing, people come for hair loss. A lot of people come for hair loss because these days increasing stress,
Yeah.
as I told you. So uske liye we give good treatments like exosomes, stem cells, growth factors.
Mhm.
These things are there. Moreover, anti-aging ke liye. So I have a machine called HIFU, which is high intensity focused ultrasound. So
Mhm.
that is non-surgical facelift.
Oh.
So a lot of people don't want to go under the knife. कि
Yeah.
हमें इंजेक्शन मत दो, फिलर्स मत दो, बोटॉक्स मत दो, ये. So for that we do HIFU, जिससे कि you get the increase in collagen production of your skin, which tighten
Wow.
up your skin, basically
Mhm.
gives natural lift. Moreover, also for weight loss, these days I'm seeing a lot of clients of weight
Oh.
loss. People are getting superb results in the healthy way,
Mhm.
especially with the GLP-1 and all, which have come into the market. So उसके लिए काफी लोग आ रहे हैं.
Have you been through any kind of case studies where treatment might have gone wrong,
Mhm.
not with you but with someone else,
Correct.
and it backfired
Badly.
drastically?
Yeah. So I have seen a lot of cases like that. And recently I was in Bangkok for one of the conferences where we focused on only complications, how to manage them. That was GASI 2026.
Mhm.
So we focused mainly on the complications, and over there I was one of the speakers.
Mhm.
So many doctors, many colleagues had that question कि what if something goes wrong?
Yeah.
हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसको prevent करने के लिए? So first thing, getting to know the anatomy is the right thing. Moreover, कोई भी complication होता है उसके लिए you have to be prepared, well prepared with everything. For
Hmm.
example, आपके clinic में emergency protocols होने चाहिए. Other thing is that कुछ भी हो जाए client को, you have to uh, do the tie-up with the nearest hospital.
Hmm.
So that is the best thing.
Yeah.
क्योंकि see, whatever treatment we are doing, complications किसी से भी हो सकते
हो
हैं.
सकते हैं, yes, absolutely.
Even the doctor is 50 years of experience, it is body. See, every body is different. Complications किसी से भी हो सकते हैं. But managing them at the right time is the key to deliver good results. That's what I feel.
So, did you ever had kind of a client जो जिसका ट्रीटमेंट कहीं और गलत
हाँ,
हुआ
yeah,
और वो बाद
yeah.
में आपके पास आया?
Absolutely. So I had many clients जिसके treatments गलत हुए थे, जैसे fillers का specially बोलते हैं हम. Fillers की treatment, किसी को burn हो गया था laser से. So such cases have come to me, and with enough time, with patience and all, I was able to treat them very nicely and deliver them good results.
So I really want to speak about this case, like where one of my clients,
Yeah.
her client came all the way from Australia for a
Okay.
cosmetic treatment.
Okay.
And she was very excited, like now
Mhm.
I'm going to have a pretty face, like
Okay.
I don't know what was the treatment all about, but something happened, like
Okay.
something wrong happened. Water went into her brain. Okay, and within a day's time she was serious. So I don't know
Exactly.
how
Yeah.
did that happen, but yeah, this was something. It's a recent case study.
Recent case. Okay.
So have you come across kind of such dangerous case
Not
studies?
really. I haven't come up like such cases. But yeah, I have had seen cases with my colleagues and all. I have heard from them there were serious issues with. But see, that can happen with anyone.
Anyone,
We cannot
yeah.
blame anyone for it. But yeah, getting the treatment from the right person, skilled hands. That's what I would suggest.
So we stay in India, right? People somewhere they have this mindset of sasta chahiye. So what are the biggest risks according to you in choosing the cheapest clinic in today's time?
So while choosing the cheapest clinic, I would suggest कि first of all check if there is any doctor or not. Second thing, always go for good machines, क्योंकि many cheap clinics might have cheap machines that might not give you the desired results. Then you end up blaming and all, and then you try to find another doctor and all. You end up spending more money than you should have.
Absolutely, yeah.
So I would suggest go with experienced doctor.
Exactly.
Already, they have years of experience. They have good name in the market. Don't go for cheap treatments. Go for result-oriented treatments. That's
Correct,
what I would
correct.
suggest.
So with wrong treatments,
हाँ.
does most of the time client blame doctor, or is it because of their own expectations, or is it because after care वो लोग ने नहीं किया इसलिए that treatment went wrong?
So it is mix of everything, to be very honest.
Mm-hmm.
Few clients blame doctors, few
Mhm.
clients blame the machines. कि हमारा ये result नहीं आया, हमारा वो
Mhm.
result नहीं आया, and obviously they don't see कि यार after care भी बोला था डॉक्टर ने, but हमने नहीं करा. So that is wrong.
Correct.
Everyone should follow proper protocols. For example, when we do few treatments, we ask clients to not go for gym, sauna, spa, swimming for 3 days, not apply makeup for at least couple of days or 3 days. But if they don't follow, then what
Yeah,
is the
correct.
issue? So ये सब complications हो सकते हैं.
So aftercare is also very important.
Very important.
And the kind of expectations they have,
Correct.
they need to match up to the doctor's doing and saying
Of
both.
course, yeah. So before starting the treatment, I tell my clients कि 3 दिन तक you have to dedicate time for yourself. You don't have to go because I deal with a lot of models and all. जिनको वो होता है कि every other day they have to go for shoots. So they only come to me when they know कि 3 दिन we don't have to go anywhere. We are at home. So because if he comes to know that I'm doing makeup and all, then he will obviously not be very happy.
Correct. Absolutely. You're talking about model, right?
Yeah.
So you yourself are a celebrity cosmetologist. You might be working with a lot of celebrities.
Correct.
Right? And people are very much fascinated with celebrity appearance on camera.
Yeah.
Like,
Right.
paparazzi. What kind of struggles they might be facing being a celebrity with their skin and hair treatments?
So what the best thing they do is that they concentrate more on their well-being. For example, they have strict diet, they have good workout, plus challenges ये है उनके पास कि lack of time, lack of sleep, they are stressed more because of the work schedule and all. फिर भी they are trying to keep up with the treatments is because they know कि थोड़ा थोड़ा करेंगे हम. Preventive treatments are better in the long run, so that it doesn't look unnatural also.
Yeah.
So a lot of celebrities do medifacials, laser toning, all these things they keep on doing, skin boosters and all, जिससे कि उनकी skin hydrated रहे, glow आता रहे, and anti-aging में काम आए.
Okay.
So this is the trend that they follow, which is why they look perfect on screen.
So I've heard a lot of, this term called Botox.
Yeah.
So would you like to throw some insights on that? Because I've heard a lot of celebrities talking about Botox treatment.
So Botox is basically helping you to get rid of wrinkles.
Okay.
It's an anti-aging. Yeah, it's a muscle relaxant basically. So for example, when you age, so few wrinkles show up on your forehead, around your eyes and all, which gives you an older appearance. But if with Botox, you can get rid of them in around 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah. And it gives you good shine, and also it gives you that perfect look as if you were 10-15 years younger. Yeah.
I've also seen a lot of celebrities promoting a lot of skincare products. In fact, few of them, they have their own.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you as a doctor really think that we should fall for it, or before that we have to do some kind of research?
I would suggest at least do some kind of research before trying any products, because see, it is not necessary that treatment will work on you. It might have worked for someone else क्योंकि उनका वो issue रहा होगा, underlying cause उनका कुछ और नहीं रहा होगा. But if you are doing that, if you are using that product and if it doesn't suit you, it might backfire you very badly. So it is always advisable कि आप कोई भी treatment, कोई भी चीज लगाओ, उसके पहले अच्छे से research करो कि is it required, is it necessary for you as well, or it's just a marketing gimmick.
Correct. Because people are promoting a lot of anti-aging products.
I know.
A lot of anti-aging products. So would you like to break some myths on anti-aging?
Anti-aging products use करने से basically it will not help you to get the desired results. Basically, you should know कि what exactly you should first. I would suggest एटलीस्ट एक बार डॉक्टर से मिल लो आप,
Hmm.
जो स्किल्ड है इस चीज में, दैट विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टू गेट योर डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट। क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, कोई बार हम सिर्फ क्रीम्स लगा के, सिर्फ सीरम्स लगा के,
Yeah.
यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट योर स्किन बिकम्स ग्लास परफेक्ट,
Hmm.
और वैसा इट्स नॉट
Not
पॉसिबल।
possible. Yeah.
एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स में जैसे फिलर्स हो गए, बोटॉक्स हो गए, दैट हेल्प्स टू गिव यू rejuvenation of your skin, tightening of your skin, give you that look which you are desiring. There is also treatment called threads. So
Okay.
threads help to tighten up your skin, gives you good
Mhm.
contouring of your skin. Saggy skin है, आपकी उसको tight करता है, because the threads which are there, they help to increase in collagen
Okay.
production. So that gives you good look, better look. So go for all these treatments.
Correct.
Instead just applying something, it will not sustain for long.
Correct. So you have spoken about lot of treatments,
Yeah.
right? But after treatment also, does it really long last? Is it permanent or they have to keep doing it?
No, see, it is not permanent. Few treatments last for 1.5, 2 years. Few treatments last for 6 years, 6 months. But it is like कि आपको थोड़े थोड़े time में you should keep on doing something or the other, because aging, we cannot stop aging.
Yeah.
But at least we can age gracefully, जिसमें कि you can look, give a more natural contoured look,
Mm-hmm.
rather than एक ही बार में अगर you are doing once in like 10 years or 5 years, जिसमें कि लोगों को समझ में आ जाए कि आपने कुछ तो कराया है.
Exactly.
It shouldn't be like that. It should
Mhm.
come naturally. So that is why I suggest all my clients कि you get the treatments done, but in a small interval of time.
Hmm.
थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ कराते रहो, जिससे कि आपका कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन है वो मेंटेन रहे, हाइड्रेशन लेवल्स मेंटेन रहे, एंड वॉट एवर यू गेट इट डन वो नेचुरल लगे. Don't just
Hmm.
overdo anything.
So there are a lot of trends which are going around, right,
Yeah.
related to skin,
Yeah,
which is very fascinated.
correct.
But end of the day, it is also questionable.
Correct.
So have you come across any kind of such trends?
Yeah, I've come across जैसे स्नेल म्यूसिन करके बीच में आया था.
Okay.
So I don't know, it came from Korea. Then
Mhm.
glass skin.
I have seen a lot of
Korean
this
glass skin.
face mask. I don't know what
Yeah.
is that. That after removing that, your skin starts glowing.
Glowing and all. Yeah.
That was also Korean mask.
Yeah,
I don't
Korean
know.
mask and
Yeah.
all. But that is very temporary.
Uh-huh.
If you wash it, it all goes
It
out,
goes
because
off,
it is just a
okay.
serum that you've applied. So it doesn't give you that good result. And other thing I would like to put on this is that Korean glass skin people are expecting कि
Yeah.
उनके जैसे skin हमारी हो जाए. It is trending a lot.
It
People
is.
call and ask आपके पास Korean facials है, ये है, वो है. We say no. They have different genetics. You have to understand. They are eating their food and everything is very different. You cannot get that skin just by applying those products. ठीक है.
Hmm.
They have different treatments over there.
Correct.
They have different water, they have like lot of things are there which they take into consideration. हम सिर्फ वो लगाने से या वो मसाज करने से या फिर वो फेशियल करने से नहीं आ सकता है.
Correct.
You have to be and most of the treatments, Korean treatments, have steroids in it. That is the
Oh.
biggest fact that why I hate Korean treatments, because I have seen 99% of the treatments which are termed as Korean treatments have steroids. वो आपको कुछ
Oh.
टाइम के लिए अच्छा लुक देती है, and
Is
then
it?
and then what happens is your face becomes steroid abused. जितना
Oh my
पार्ट आपका
God.
अच्छे से फेयर हुआ था, that starts darkening.
Oh my God.
So that's what people are now slowly and steadily being aware of. They are
Oh,
getting
I
to know,
mean,
because बहुत ट्रेंड में था वो बीच में. I used to get a lot of inquiries every day. Do you this? You do this? I say no. It is not suitable for you.
oh my God. I mean, it is very dangerous. And I mean,
Yeah.
good that you said this on in our podcast, because it's very important, because it is still trending.
It is still trending.
Okay, it is still trending and people are buying it.
Left, right,
Left,
center.
right, center. And all the influencers are also promoting it.
I'm
Lot
not
of
sure what products they are promoting, but majority of the products are just named Korean. वो कोरिया
Yeah.
से होते भी नहीं हैं,
Correct.
बनते हैं इंडिया में और कहीं और बनते होंगे, जिसमें कि सिर्फ वो लुक देने के लिए they add such ingredients that causes harm on the skin.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. I mean, such a small thing also. I mean, we have to look after.
You have to
So
absolutely.
what happens? You said, like, there are steroids.
Correct.
involved in that particular product.
Hmm.
So what are the causes?
सी स्टेरॉइड का इन अ लेमैन टर्म if मैं बताऊं आपको, तो स्टेरॉइड से आपकी स्किन जो है पतली होती जाती है,
Mm. Oh.
ठीक है। सो आपका जो पहले शुरू में लुक आएगा दैट विल
Hmm.
बी थोड़ा गोरा दिखोगे,
Hmm.
यू विल लुक फेयर, ब्लश जैसा फील होगा आपको कि अरे आई हैव नॉट अप्लाइड एनीथिंग स्टिल माय स्किन इज ब्लशिंग एंड ऑल। आफ्टर फ्यू डेज व्हेन यू गो इनटू सन योर स्किन स्टार्ट्स बर्निंग। फिर इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी प्रोसीजर, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने वैक्स भी कराया तो यू स्टार्ट ब्लीडिंग, that thin your skin becomes,
Oh my God.
and after some time you realize "Arey, that is dangerous," you stop applying it, your skin starts becoming dark, and
shit.
original color se bhi you start becoming 3 shades darker. That's what I've seen cases. Literally we have to repair their skin, we have to give them such treatment that helps to heal their skin. So those are that bad. People want instant results कि हमें
They
एक
want,
हफ्ते में
yeah.
गोरा होना है, शादी है, ये है वो है, but that's not the case. You are destroying, you are harming your skin. You should understand that.
Exactly. So Prince ji, I'm seeing lot of advertisement on this detoxification.
That's
It
right.
is trending to another level.
I
Like, you know, every
know.
day when I open my Instagram, I see lot of this kind of reels.
Correct.
Do you want to say something on that?
So there is one very trending treatment that is happening called IV glutathione, which everyone is aware of. It is basically to help you to detox your liver, increase your energy levels, and
Mhm.
gives you good glow.
Oh.
So this is the thing which everyone is doing these days. It hardly takes 15-20 minutes, and once a week you have to take that session,
Mhm.
and you see very good results.
Okay.
Yeah,
It gives
absolutely.
you very good glow.
Glow also, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So see, these advertisements are not going to stop. You know,
Yeah,
day
yeah.
in and out, there are new products which are coming in the
Absolutely.
market, and they are trending
Correct.
everywhere because it has become very easy, right?
Easy.
To get yourself to flourish your brand.
Of course.
Okay, so what all things we need to look after as a consumer
Yeah.
before we even buy a product?
See, it depends on what exactly are you buying. First of all, कोई भी चीज आप ले रहे हो, go for medicated, dermatologically tested products. Now the thing has
yes,
come up.
yes.
At least go for them, or else visit a doctor. जो आपको अच्छे से जो कॉज के लिए आप मांग रहे हो वो आपको दे. If you are buying sunscreen, तो at least SPF 50 बाय करो, UVA UVB प्रोटेक्शन के साथ बाय करो. इतनी बेसिक चीजें आप देखोगे ना, your life will be sorted.
Correct.
Don't just go on brand names or any किसी ने उसको influence किया
Before
है.
after advertisements.
Yeah. Don't fall for that. At least look for basic things like this that will actually help you to stay healthy
Correct.
and keep glowing in the
Yeah.
long run.
So do you think, according to you, like, you know, natural beauty
Yeah,
and aesthetic medicines
Yeah.
can exist together?
of course they exist together. I would say कि aesthetic medicine जो है वो आपकी natural beauty को enhance करने में help करता है.
Hmm.
You cannot only rely on your aesthetic medicine.
Correct.
Slowly and steadily, if you have good look, natural look आपका अच्छा है. Natural look कैसे अच्छा होगा? आप अच्छे से खा पी रहे हो. You're maintaining
Exactly.
your diet, you're maintaining your workouts, you're drinking enough water. Then you start getting good glow from inside. And aesthetic medicine can only enhance it in a much
Hmm.
better way.
Correct. So nowadays I'm seeing Kareena Kapoor,
Yes.
right? I guess she has not been taking any kind of treatment. You know,
Okay.
all of sudden, she started showing that age. Like, you know, her face is showing that age.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this happens all of sudden. So talking about me also, I'm turning 40.
Okay.
Okay, so all of sudden your look changes.
Correct.
So do you have something to say on that?
See, I would recommend कि at least go for anti-aging treatments. Not late, but start around
Early.
as soon as possible,
Mhm.
so that whenever you are aging, it doesn't look bad. You age gracefully. जैसे कि take medifacials that helps to थोड़ा बहुत give you hydration, glow, skin थोड़ा बहुत tightening, lifting के लिए भी होते हैं उसमें probes and all. Go for skin boosters जो आपकी skin जो आपके
Basic
basic
treatments.
जो है वो enhance हो जाए.
Mhm.
So at least go for few treatments like laser toning, pigmentation वगैरह हो थोड़ा कम हो जाए. Keep on doing something or the other that will
Yeah.
actually keep you your collagen levels and all at par.
Correct.
Yeah.
Rightly said. You know, I want to really ask you this question with all your experiences.
Yeah.
Do you really think that, you know, your appearances can affect your confidence?
Of course, it affects a lot because, for example, if you are having acne, if you are having hair fall, so if I give you the right treatment, if I give you the good result, your confidence will boost.
Yeah.
Because see, wherever we go,
Correct.
and few of people have screen appearance, they have more screen appearance and all. For them, looking confident, looking the best is the key. So unke liye especially it creates a lot of difference in confidence and all. So if you meet the right doctor, if you take the right treatment, then definitely your confidence grows very much.
So I'm also seeing this face yoga thing.
Yeah.
You know, how effective is that? Though I know you are from cosmetology industry, and
Yeah.
of course treatment and all is
Yeah,
something
yeah,
which is core.
Yeah.
But does that really help?
I wouldn't comment much on that. It's a funny thing that my mom is a yoga instructor herself.
Oh.
But with yoga, to be very honest, for face yoga, to an extent, it doesn't give that good result.
Okay.
With the right treatments, it will definitely enhance your result.
Absolutely. I mean, it will give you what basically you want.
Yeah.
You know, with face yoga, well, let me be very clear and honest. I have also tried.
Oh,
Okay, what happens is, कभी कभार है ना आपका face it goes inside.
yeah.
Okay, the kind of
Okay.
treatment that you don't need and the kind of look that you don't need.
Absolutely.
No, it gives that thin look, but at the
Yeah.
same point of time, वो ऐसा गला हुआ लगता है ना.
हाँ,
So
yeah,
it looks like that.
Correct.
So you rightly said that it's very important to have expert advice.
Yeah.
Not do anything that is available online.
Correct.
And keep doing those yogas,
Yeah.
which eventually spoil your entire look.
Absolutely right.
And it will again end up being demotivated.
Demotivated. Yeah.
So I have also tried, but then yeah, somewhere I feel that you know it's not working, and then वापस मैंने दूसरा चालू कर दिया ताकि मेरा वापस वो bulk दिखने लगे. So
Absolutely
yeah,
right.
it's very important to
Very
have that kind of treatment. And so so we have spoken a lot about treatment
Yeah.
and all of it. According to you, there are a lot of myths surrounded with the treatments also.
Correct.
Would you like to break some of the myths when people hear this term called treatment?
So people are very scared with needles. And they say कि कुछ भी कर लो, needle मत करो. Why?
Yeah,
I asked them one question. Why? वो बहुत दिख के आता है. I only educate them one thing कि अगर आप overdo करोगे कोई भी चीज, वो obviously दिख के आएगी. But the look which you are expecting, I can only give you with certain treatments and not overdo it, जिससे कि आपका look भी enhance लगे, you look fresh and you glow. So people have this misconception about taking fillers, Botox,
Yeah, correct.
and all
Random thing.
Yeah. So they don't want to fall for all of that, but yeah, that's a myth that people have. Other myth, जैसे कि बचपन में हमें पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि रोज तेल लगाना है, बाल अच्छे रहेंगे.
Yeah, that is one of the biggest thing. Oh my God, I remember my mother putting oil every single day in my hair, but still my hair was very thin.
Very thin, absolutely. So क्या होता है? I'll explain you in a very layman term. आप पानी में अपना हाथ रखिए 15 मिनट 20 मिनट. You see the quality of your skin, it becomes
dry. Yeah, and shrinks.
Same thing happens with your scalp. If you keep it overnight, or if you keep it 2-3 दिन हम रखते थे बाल हफ्ते में 2-3 दिन होना, it is not required. Only and only keep oil in your scalp and your hair for 2 hours before washing your hair.
Is it?
Only that much is required. Don't overdo it. And go for the very basic oil. Coconut oil is perfect. उतना ही करो सिर्फ. So those are things which we need to, clear the myths.
yeah, it's very important because people say नहीं यार बाल में तेल लगा के भेजो, उससे
या
ब्रेन भी अच्छा
ब्रेन भी
चलेगा।
अच्छा रहेगा,
हाँ, अंदर बहुत सारे तुम्हारे vitamins minerals भी
या
जाएंगे। But then good that you finally there is someone who broke this myth because till now people are doing the same thing।
सेम थिंग, या
रोज बाल में तेल लगाओ वरना तुम्हारे बाल खराब हो
खराब हो
जाएंगे।
जाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे,
एग्जैक्टली।
एंड यू नो डैंड्रफ हो जाएंगे अगर नहीं लगा रहे हो। बट अगर आपको डैंड्रफ है तो ऑयल आपको नहीं लगाना चाहिए, ठीक है?
अच्छा।
या दैट इज द थिंग। हम क्या सोचते थे पहले कि आप नहीं लगा रहे हो तो डैंड्रफ हो रहा है,
हाँ।
बट दैट्स अ मिथ। सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स व्हिच वी नीड टू एजुकेट एवरीवन कि कुछ कुछ चीजें हैं जो हम करते आए हैं, वो मिथ को हम ब्रेक करना जरूरी है। और
करेक्ट
क्यों जरूरी है, उसके पीछे भी साइंस बैक्ड है।
करेक्ट।
सो दैट इज द थिंग आई वांट एवरीवन टू बी एजुकेटेड। थोड़ा थोड़ा करो,
But
रिसर्च
don't
करो,
overdo it,
डोंट
yeah।
ओवरडू इट।
Correct।
रिसर्च करके जो भी कर रहे हो प्रॉपर करो।
True। Nowadays, I've seen a lot of people, though we are talking about hair, a lot of people are taking this hair transplant treatment.
या
You know, in my family also,
Oh, is it?
people have taken it.
ओके।
Okay, but it is very dangerous. I feel that it is so scary uh, to have a good hair and a long-lasting hair. What they need to do.
First of all, I would like to say कि hair transplant with the latest technology that we have, it's not scary at all.
Okay,
It
not
is
at all painful।
not at all. थोड़ा बहुत discomfort होता है, but patient is awake. They know the entire treatment is going on. They can have food बीच में. It's all sorted. There is nothing dangerous in it. Other thing, what you mentioned is अच्छे बालों के लिए what things people should follow. Yeah.
Yeah।
So मैं सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि have balanced diet, check your nutritional levels. If they are up, they are high. Go for good shampoos, sulfate free, paraben free shampoos. Scalp को clean रखो आप। जितना आपका scalp clean रहेगा, आपके हेयर को ग्रोथ होने में easy रहेगा, pH बैलेंस रहेगा। मोर ओवर वर्कआउट, keep your stress levels low, because these days everyone is stressed about something or the other. Sleep well.
Absolutely। Yeah।
Sleep at least 8 hours a day. And if you see some genetic issue, or if you face any issue with your hair loss, just consult a
doctor।
specialist. He or she might be able to even not allow you to go for transplant, उसके पहले आपको रोक सकते हैं। Some might not even, some cases don't even need injectable therapies
Correct।
like growth factors, PRP और all। वो normal medicine से ही आपकी जो deficiencies है उसको correct करने से ही चीजें हो जाती है। So you know, it is always advisable whenever you see hair loss, hair fall increase हो रहा है, तो एक बार डॉक्टर को जाके मिल लो।
Absolutely।
They will be the best guide for you instead of trying from random sources, or you know your relative neighbor said कि अरे मैंने ये लगाया मेरे बाल उग गए, ये इसने ये किया वो किया। No, that is not right।
Correct। Yeah, it's very important because सारी चीजें ट्रीटमेंट के थ्रू भी नहीं हो सकती, but it should be a balance of both।
Balance of
I know
both।
where whatever is required, and people still they don't understand that this vertical also have good doctors।
Absolutely।
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah।
you need to go and see the doctors because after lockdown things has changed tremendously।
Absolutely। Yeah।
Because of digitalization, people are always on their phone, and you
Yeah।
rightly said they don't get good sleep।
Good sleep, absolutely।
They are always stressed
Yeah।
because of those radiations and all। So it's very important to go and see a doc who can help you in preventing your hair loss, preventing your skin care,
Yeah,
and helping you not to age,
absolutely।
right? Aging nowadays has become a biggest talk of
Yeah।
the town, right? So would you like to say something to the people who are crossing 30 or 35 age, not only female but also male?
Males, yeah। So with this age group, this is the age where maximum people are stressed with family, work pressure and all। So that cannot be stopped, but with the right guidance, with the right, for example, if you start seeing aging at this age, for example under eye dark circles किसी को हो रहे हैं, किसी को pigmentation है, किसी को hair loss है, So start with small, at least visit, take medifacial हो गया, या फिर go for laser toning treatment, go for just scalp analysis.
Mm-hmm.
So these all treatments will help you to age in a better way.
Yeah.
You will not suddenly see changes like कि नहीं यार मेरा एकदम ड्रूप हो गया, इसके मेरे अचानक से बाल नहीं. Slowly and steadily you will come to that stage, but in a much better way. You cannot stop aging, but you can
Correct.
absolutely correct it, and you can absolutely slow down the process of aging.
Correct.
So NAD therapy which has come up, so that is very good for anti-aging, जिसे हम IV के through we give.
Oh.
It takes around 3 to 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very good NAD, very good anti-aging therapy which we are
Mm-hmm.
doing at the moment. So that also helps to reverse your aging and all.
So when I talk about anti-aging,
Yeah,
the first celebrity that comes in my mind is Malaika.
Malaika, yeah,
Okay, people look up to her
yeah.
because she has already crossed maybe 50.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
50 plus,
Yeah.
right? So looking at her also,
Mm.
people have a lot of expectations for their own self.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Okay, would you like to throw some insights on that, or do you have some say on that?
See, she is the person who is aging gracefully, and
Yeah.
everyone is looking up to her.
Yeah, correct.
She is following the diet. आप उनके stories देख लो. She
Exactly.
eats well, she drinks well, she participates in yoga, Pilates, everything, workouts and all. She is doing everything on point. Simultaneously, I'm not sure, she might also be taking
Yeah.
few cosmetic
Treatment.
treatments, like for anti-aging, or something she might be taking,
Yeah.
which is required for an hour.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
everyone is gonna age, and with gravity, everything is gonna fall down.
True.
So we have to maintain that with all
Yeah,
these
yeah.
treatments.
Yeah. So one last question I have
Yeah.
for you is that so before we even choose any kind of aesthetic clinic,
Okay.
what do we need to look upon?
Look upon the credibility of the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Other thing, what all services they are providing. Is it the doctor who himself is gonna or herself is gonna do the treatment?
Mm-hmm.
And other thing that you need to look upon is, I think that is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. So I really want to understand more about your business journey.
Okay.
We have spoken a lot about skincare, weight management,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
also anti-aging. I really want to understand now about your business
Yeah.
journey, how it has been. You have already expanded with 7+ branches.
Yeah.
So how has been that journey so far?
So initially it was very difficult. I started with one, and slowly and steadily, when people got to know that I do such treatments, then from different places, for example, from Surat, from Gujarat, I started getting queries.
Oh.
So for them, I had to open one center in Surat.
Mm-hmm.
Other thing was like people were, see, everyone is very busy with their work. They
Correct.
don't have enough
Mm.
time, but they want to get the treatment done.
Mm-hmm.
So it was my thing to serve them wherever they are located.
Correct.
So in Western Line, I have few clinics where it becomes easy for my clients to come up and take the treatment, even though they are busy.
Absolutely.
Few people, you will not believe, come at 11 p.m.
Oh.
11:30, and I understand they are busy, they
Hmm.
are influential people and all. So I have to give that time to them. कोई क्लाइंट सुबह 8 बजे आना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज वाई 9 बजे हमें जॉब पे जाना है. सो केटरिंग टू ऑल ऑफ दैट, आई हैव मेड अ सिस्टम कि मुझे कैसे भी करके उनको अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट देनी है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर टाइम, obviously in limits.
Yeah.
I cannot be operating at 2 a.m. at
Of
in the
course.
morning. But yeah, so now few of my clients had inquired from Pune and other
Mhm.
places.
Mhm.
So I plan to open one center in Pune so that it becomes easy for them to take the treatment.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So you started as one. Now you have more than 7+ branches.
Yeah.
So with your fitness level, I really want to understand that, how do you manage your routine with all this,
It's
stress
tough.
and all this opportunity that you
Yeah.
already have?
It's quite tough, to be very honest, but with God's grace, managing everything single-handedly. And yes, I plan to expand more, and also with everyone who's supporting me, I would want to be with them and grow together. So that's what
Lovely.
my plan is.
So, what is your future vision with your centers?
Future vision would be expanding more cities,
Mhm.
more states, and obviously with better treatments and with the advanced and latest technology I would like to bring up.
Correct.
Yeah, that is more important,
Very important.
and give the best of best results to my clients.
Thank you so much, Prince G. We had one wonderful conversation, and we are heading towards our rapid fire round.
Okay.
So, whatever questions I'm going to ask you, you need to answer in one word. Are we all up for it?
Yes.
All right, then. Biggest hair care myth.
Applying oil daily.
Yeah. Most underrated skincare habit.
Just applying good moisturizer.
Yeah, that's true. Anti-aging secret in one word.
Um, Anti-aging secret in one word. Sunscreen.
Yeah, that's right. Celebrity skincare reality in one word.
Um, you should probably look them more closely.
Hair fall myth.
Hair fall myth. सिर्फ ऑयल लगाने से बाल नहीं उग जाएंगे.
Correct. One skincare rule everyone should follow.
Apply good moisturizer and sunscreen.
Correct. Confidence booster in one word.
Come to Dr. Prince.
Yes, lovely. So thank you so much. We had amazing conversation.
you
It
so
was
much.
very candid today. I understood a lot about anti-aging, skincare, and weight management too. But before we sign off for today, I really want you to share kind of a small advice with all our viewers before they even, think about skincare or say weight management or anti-aging.
One advice I would like to give everyone is that follow only one doctor, trust them well, and follow whatever they say with your full heart. Don't keep on changing doctors. आप देखो results कैसे आ रहे हैं. Always keep patience, because with patience I feel your results will be enhanced. Don't look for treatments that will help you overnight. Nothing is gonna help you overnight. You have to keep patience. थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा आपको, अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने पड़ेंगे, then only you will be able to see good results.
Very rightly said. Thank you so much. One last message for Soch platform.
So, team of Soch, especially Nirali Pandya ji, is doing absolutely amazing job, and we need such kind of people in the industry that help to motivate and boost the confidence in the market. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words, and really means a lot to me and to all our viewers. Guys, today you understood with this entire podcast, you'll basically understand that, before you even think of skincare or weight management or anti-aging, hair fall, you should really, really see the doctor or a subject matter expert who can help you in a right way. Okay, do not fall prey for this, trending products or the trending things that is happening, because we stay in digital world and there are pros and cons of this digital world. What may suit others may not suit your skin or may not suit your body or may not suit your hair. So why to just take risk for your skin or your health or your hair? So before you take any kind of decision, guys, think twice. And now you know, if you have any kind of issues in your skin or your hair or your weight, you need to see Dr. Prince Varde. So thank you so much once again. Signing off for today, Nirali Pandya, Ek Soch, one idea that changed your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and watch this entire episode.